It is finally here after 9 months of waiting. Time for one of the biggest open boxes of this update. I'm so excited to get this open. It just came off the semi truck. Let's get to it. Hey, so we back finally after 9 months of waiting. 9 entire whole months, plus all the debacle with everything else is not easy with shipping these days. But let me tell you this, what were you looking at? So on top of shipping being an issue, this, as you can see, is a Varus kit. Not always easy to come by. There's only one distributor in North America, and that is Bulletproof Automotive. And then they actually work through an interpreter to talk to Varus Hurdling Option. They go by many names, but to basically procure the kit. Now, one thing is the kits are custom made to order. So on average, 6 to 8 weeks, regardless. 6 to 8 months, regardless. This kit took 9 months, given some other things going on. I happened to order a bit more pieces than you may see. And I also asked them, because I wanted to know, what kit am I sold out of this entire time that this kit has been offered? Just to let you know, they get offended when you ask certain things like that, I guess, because to them it's a proprietary thing as far as like, yo, we don't want to put how many are out there, because if you get one, you should know like you're part of an exclusive number of people, especially dealing with the JDM Integra. But I do know this, so the interpreter let us know that, but I do know this.
So you did ask?
Yes, I did ask, but then we were told to let's back off after a couple of tries because they were getting offended. So the interpreter told us they were getting offended. Let's not worry about it. But you are of a very limited lot. And I do believe the number is somewhere around 20, where maybe around 20 kits ever sold, I think. But it could probably lower than that. But I'm going to say 20 to feel safe, so that if they see this video, they'll be like, oh yeah, well, it's actually less than that. But it's probably less than that. And I do know majority of them are in Japan, not here. Except for this kit you see here. All right, this very kit you see here, and my partner Wheezy ended up getting one, so he'll be coming out with his as well. But we're gonna crack this open because they just came in today off the semi truck, and so I figured do the inspection and the open box at the same time. So the first one we're gonna open right here is, I'm assuming these are side skirts. All right, so let's get these open. Matter of fact, I'll get it down here and start cranking this thing. I'm gonna make sure I don't cut the damn part. Now I'm going to be interested to see the quality of it, because I've dealt with several other kits before in my lifetime, so I'm interested to see what. I'm going to tell you right now, this kit is going to cost you. If you want to get it, it's going to cost you. I'll tell you that. All right, so this ain't no Duraflex. No, not to Duraflex, but this ain't that. So right out of the back, I see we have some directions taped here. And I am surprised that I'm not surprised that these damn directions are obviously in Japanese. Our side skirts, at least, will be screwed on. All right, so they'll be screwed on. I thought for a second that this was a two-piece section, but it seems like just one piece. But we'll get the rest of the kit open and maybe see what that looks like. But I was under the influence by visual that it was a two-piece section, but it looks like it is completely just one piece. So I don't know if that's like a new revision. Oh, but let's look at that right there, because that is something that's interesting. If you see right there, we'll rip that open. Right there, a Varus sticker verifying what this is, a serial number for the side skirts, and manufacturer right there written. So made in Japan. That lets you know it is official right there. Now I'm going to try and do some research and see if maybe using this serial number and some of this information, if I can find out what number kit this is, because I'm pretty sure that they keep up with that in their books, and maybe we might be able to find some kind of telltale indication looking through these and using serial numbers to kind of see that. So I'm still gonna be trying to find out like what number kit I have, because that's just baller type action. Like when you can say, I got kit number 15 in the world. It's just in the world, Craig, in the world. Over there. Next piece right here, and I noticed that, let me see, This is probably going to be the Fender. Feels a bit heavier, bit larger box, wider, so I would not be surprised if this is the Fenders, or if these are the Fenders. It's got like a mini pocket. And yes. Now I want you to come in here and look and see how they put this stuff together. This is what I'm talking about. This is how, look at how they, now just in this box alone, so we already had one box with 2 pieces. In this box alone, it looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pieces. 9 pieces in this box alone. And look, this is what I'm saying. Instructions separate. So we got instructions for the front fender and the rear fenders. That's what I'm saying about how they do things. This is one of the better packing jobs that I've ever seen a company do when it comes to a kit. Like, not only the packing, but actually the quality of the pieces. And I'm gonna be very careful taking these out of here because I don't want to break them. Let's see what this is. This is the front fender. There is our side marker light cut out right there. Here are our areas to attach our hardware to put the fender on. We are about to have a fucking blast with this kit because we're about to cut this damn car up. I can't damn wait. I'm excited. I done already started cutting up a little bit, but I'm really about to cut this motherfucker up now for a good reason. And as you can see right there, we have our inner right there. So like we're getting a bit off of the OEM fender, just looking at the width of that. So hopefully the wheels line up. If not, we'll end up, I kind of put myself in a space where I'll use 10mm or 15mm spacers and I should be good, but hopefully I might not have to use any. But we got some parts we'll open up for that. So this is a front fender right here. So let's just sit that right there. And then we have a rear fender. So here's a rear fender right here. Yo, the quality of this kit, just by looking at it, is pretty damn nice. Like, just damn, I am really wowed by this. I mean, I know, babe, you don't know much about the kits, but this is pretty nice. There we go again. There is sticker, serial number, manufacturer. On every part so far that I've seen, that is the case. Put your hand on that to see how smooth that is. That's pretty damn good. Mm-hmm. That's like awesome. There's a reason, this kit is the reason why not only I swapped my front end for JDM, but I swapped my bumper, because this divot right here does not exist on the 98 2000. 94, 97, it does. So if you pay attention to the side of the bumper and you just look, there's a nice divot that kind of goes concave and comes back out. So I went ahead and resourced and found me another bumper so that I could go ahead and have that in there, or else that wouldn't be totally matched, but now it will be. And I probably will tonight go out there and actually put this up to the rear fender or the rear bumper and see that for myself, but you'll have to wait for the next YouTube video to see that. So now that I got that, let me go ahead and put this to the side. So we got hella pieces in here, which we'll go over a whole video when we get ready to start installing this shit, which is gonna be soon. But it's gonna be like a soft install because we'll have to take everything off and then send the car to paint. So we will install the kit ourselves, cut the car ourselves, get it Cliccoed up, drill all the holes ourselves, and then once it's fully pieced on and taped up, we'll take all that shit off, send the car to paint, send the piece to paint, and then we will officially be wide body several months after that. Now this piece, since I haven't seen it in anything else, I'm excited. This should be more goodness right here. I expected it here was a single piece, and this piece is a very delicate piece. This is the carbon front chin, all right? So the carbon front chin is all I was expecting, but there's actually more in here than that. Now, if you look, see how they just tape all the stuff in here. They didn't want to leave anything to chance for it to rattle around. They taped all the pieces to the side of the box, and they did a very good job when it came off the pallet. And once again, here we go. Instructions separate for this. Plus, damn it, this is what I'm saying. When you pay for some shit like this, you get what you pay for. You get what you pay for. Look at this shit. hardware and the rubber, the weather stripping, and the weather stripping. That's what I'm saying. This is where the money starts coming into play when you start buying stuff like this from companies that are like really serious about their products and really serious about their products when they're on your car, because it's a representation of them at the end of the day too. If somebody sees it and has a bad experience and is like, damn, that kit looks like shit, nobody's gonna want to spend the amount of money that I spent on this kit. But let me see if I can get, I really was not expecting this white retainer piece, which I'm a little bit thrown by that. I'm trying to figure out why that's in there. Part or another piece of evidence that shows quality and the amount of money you pay for something and how the thought process in a kit like this to actually make it just, this is just high quality shit. Like if you order a lift from majority company, I don't care who it is in the States, ATI, Duraflex, any of these other companies, Extreme Dimensions, you're not gonna get a 2-piece section system like this. This is the first time I've seen one, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna come with companies like Various, companies like Liberty Walk, all of that shit. So let me put this to the side. I'm very impressed by that. I have to take this up completely, but I don't want to risk yanking and pulling on this, so I'm just gonna cut it all the way off. The carbon chin. Look at that. Look at that checker pattern. Oh my goodness.
I was gonna come and do a close up, but I really don't want to get in your way. You're so excited right now.
Go ahead and do
you
a
want me to?
close-up. Yeah.
Can I start from down here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. I probably will have it coated again just to thicken it up and get a nice clear on it. Your holes in the chin. And that pretty much tells you it goes in just like that. And there you go. So that's cool as shit because I don't have to drill this carbon, and that's very beneficial. That's very helpful. That takes a lot of headache out because you're already doing a lot of drill and measurements trying to get all these pieces to fit on the car to look decent, look good, great, hopefully. But with this system that they came up with, this shit is a lifesaver. So now all we're doing is fitting this on the bumper, using these holes on this side to mount to the bumper on the bottom side, and then of course you coat and get it painted. And then all you're doing is taking that hardware and screwing that chin on. Like, that's stupid awesome. That is stupid awesome. Like, I'm really blown away by the quality of this damn kit. Like, this shit is crazy. This kit is crazy. This kit is worth the 9 months of wait. Like, this is really worth it. You're really getting what you're paying for. And then to have a Widebody Integra in the US looking like mine looks with that color, y'all in trouble. So you know how that goes. I'm just saying, like, we coming out hard, we're coming on another level, trying to bump it up every time. So Wolfpack fam, I appreciate y'all. This is the open box and inspection. I'm finna get more into this. I'm gonna try and, I'm not gonna lie, me and the wife are gonna go out in the garage and kind of put some pieces up there just to see how shit looks. So y'all gotta get out of here. We gotta finish inspecting this shit. I will get with y'all another time. Thanks for coming. You know what I say, just build it, stay ahead with me, subscribe, Instagram, follow. Don't forget, family members, not followers, YouTube, subscribe, all that good shit. We're going to have more giveaways. We're going to have more podcasts. And we're going to have more updates about this process. Just build it. Peace. Ooh, shit.
So you know it's cold outside.
No, in the garage.
It's cold in the garage.